Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to backup iPhone to iCloud. This way you will have a copy of your data that you can restore in case your device is ever replaced, lost or damaged. So let's get started. In order to take the backup of your iPhone, just make sure that your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi network. Now tap on Settings and then tap on your name at the top. On the next screen, tap iCloud. Next, tap iCloud Backup. Now tap on Backup Now. To complete the backup process, just stay connected to your Wi-Fi network. Under Backup Now, you will see the date and time of your last backup. In case you get an alert that says you don't have enough iCloud storage space to complete the backup, then you can buy more storage or simply delete the unwanted stuff from iCloud Drive. Now let's see how to take automatic backup with iCloud. Just go to Settings and then tap on your name at the top. On the next screen, tap iCloud. Next, tap iCloud Backup. Under Backup, make sure that iCloud Backup option is turned on. Connect your device to the power source and make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi network. Now when your device screen gets locked, your iPhone will be automatically backed up to the iCloud each day. So that was all about how to back up your iPhone to iCloud. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.